It's morning right now, and I'm gonna do something very exciting today. I'm gonna have a small little cameo in TVF's video. Yes, sir, I'm gonna go there and shoot with them today. But now I'm gonna go and get all ready and get my eyebrows threaded because my eyebrows look like a jungle. I'm getting my eyebrows threaded. She's like, I have never had anybody who's doing a video while getting the eyebrows done. Hey, there's always a first time. I'm all set, ready, showered and eyebrow threaded and on my way to the shoot for TVF now. I have reached at the location where TVF is shooting and so excited! It's gonna be like a real set, guys, like a real set. Not like me shooting at home at a green screen, like super cheap production. This is like real stuff. There it is. Zoom on me, zoom on this, zoom on me, zoom on this, zoom on me. Okay guys, enough zooming happening here. So I'm wearing my costume, I'm here, I'm changed and now I'm waiting for makeup and hair. And I can't reveal too much, but I can say it's something for girls. TVF has a new female channel which is called Girly Appa. So yeah, this is for that channel and I'm gonna be in it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, so the makeup and hair person still haven't showed up. I guess this is what happens at shoots, right? You just hang out and wait. Hello, there's nobody around me, like nobody. I'm alone on a set of, I don't know, like 200 people. I think they're 200, I don't even know. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Waiting and waiting. I am waiting under a blue umbrella. And I can do that because I'm crazy.
Hi Ricksters, how are you?
I hope you guys all watch his show on TVF. I hope you all do.
Please watch Permanent Roommates at the TVF Play app.
I think they're looking for me. My makeup person just showed up. For all the boys out there who don't know, this is called concealer. This is concealer. It conceals your under eyes. So I don't look like I haven't slept the entire night because I was so excited. I'm done with the makeup and the hair and I have to say I can't complain. I could get used to that. And now I'm gonna wait for my shoot and damn, for a YouTuber like me, hello, this is awesome. And we do all ourselves and finally I don't have to do anything myself, not even the makeup, nothing whatsoever. Okay guys, some serious stuff is happening. There has to be silence and there are like people everywhere and there's like a crazy camera right here. Check this out, there's a full camera set here, people standing there. I wish I could show you what it is, but sadly I can't. But you see me now. Yeah, now she's arrived. So we have food there, I think. Whoever gets hungry during the shoot, they can eat. Like me, because I'm always hungry. We close up the camera and the cameraman without him noticing that I'm actually taking him in the video. So there he is, there he is. He saw it, he saw it. Okay guys, I'm right now with Preeti. She's the one behind the camera, the making of this video thing we're doing, which we can't talk about, right? Yeah. I can't tell you guys. Keep find out. Keep waiting and watching. Yeah. Soon, yeah. I'm here with Pavli.
Hey guys, how are you?
You probably know her from Angry Indian Goddesses. If you've seen that movie.
I hope you do. You have to see that movie because it's releasing online also now. If you haven't seen it, watch it online on TVF Play on the 20th of March.
And guess what? It's the uncensored version.
It's even better.
It's my time to shoot. And there's somebody in the back there. Let's do this. So currently there's an issue with my top, which is going down. And this pretty girl is helping me getting it fixed and so is she. So we're trying to figure out how to make this so that people don't see what they shouldn't see. And on this side, the cameraman is sitting and he's figuring when are these ladies gonna be done? Sorry, girls take time. Okay, so I just got done with my shoot, which again I can't tell you. I know I'm making such a mystery out of it, right? But it was fun. This is so cool. And I'm so excited when you guys see the finished product because it was so much fun. Booty, booty, booty. Yep, I'm trying to give you a hint, but I'm not telling you what it is. Alright guys, it's late. We're tired. But still, I managed to get Monkey from the TVF pictures.
Hi! I'm eating this thing called Pulse, which I've just discovered on this shoot. It's got it's kacha aam and jaljeera. I was like, let's do this.
We have a lot of makeup.
Yeah.
I don't know, is it like
It's
me?
too harsh. No, the lighting is too harsh.
Yeah, guys, we don't look like this. We don't look like clowns normally. Gonna watch out pictures again with Manvi.
Yes,
Watch out.
I play Shreya in TVF Pictures.
Yes.
So watch it.
Watch it and
If
get
you haven't
excited.
already.
Yes, and subscribe if you're not
And I
subscribed
just
yet.
spread all over the screen.
Alright guys, so this is a wrap. We are done with the shoot and it's time for me to go home, and I'm very excited for this video and I'm gonna announce it soon. So whoever has been following me on Snapchat till now knows exactly what has happened, because I have showed a lot of stuff. So guys, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Snapchat, because you get to see so many things before it comes out on YouTube, guys. So this is it. This was my day shooting with the TVF people. It was so awesome. I met so many people from the pictures, from TVF, and I really wish I could have told you guys what exactly I'm shooting for, but I wasn't allowed to. That's the thing. But soon enough, you'll get to know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this vlog of mine and want me to make more vlogs, I mean, give this video a thumbs up. Seriously, just go ahead and do it. Only then I can shoot more, otherwise I won't, right? And subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, unless you're not a subscriber yet, and you better subscribe, because I come up with videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Thank you so much guys for watching, and tata, bye bye.